dynamic dipper from Morecambe Bay, and we are near Morecambe Bay today. We're about 20 miles away in Hincaster, near the river, which is totally lovely. It's quite quiet. Some kayakers have just come down the river, which is lovely. In today's video we're going to talk about going from a wetsuit to skins, if that's maybe what you want to do, or something in between. If you like my videos, please can you click the button below and subscribe. So this is my favourite time of year to swim, September, October. The water's still really quite warm, and obviously the trees are absolutely beautiful when middle of October comes. So that's, you know, that's a really nice time to swim. So you may have swam in your wetsuit throughout the summer, but you may be tempted to go skins, and you're just wondering how you could do that. One of the ways you could do that is you take your wetsuit off your arms and put it down to your waist, and you stay in the water for a little bit longer with just your torso exposed and with your costume on. And then you can gradually go to taking your wetsuit off. So you swim in your wetsuit, and then you take your wetsuit off, you put it on the side, and you go back in for however long is comfortable for you in your swimsuit. There's other ways to do it though also. So that's predominantly the way that you're going to do it, but you might need some aids when it gets pretty cold, and so we're going to talk about those. The other thing that we're going to do is I'm going to speak about a warmth vest. Mine is zone 3 warmth vest, and some people wear it under the wetsuit, but you can also wear it just with your costume, on top of your costume, for when you want to feel a little bit warmer in the winter months. And that's going to be a YouTube shorts, because I'm trying to learn how to do those. I'm not very technical. Okay, so one of the things that you might want to help you transition to skins is boots. Okay, you might want boots. So I've made a video before about boots at Coniston and about wetsuit, and you can find that video here. I'll put it in now. But let's just think about conditioning ourselves to cold water when the winter months come. Okay, so you could go with your boots, your gloves, and your warmth vest. So I have a zone 3 one. It has titanium in the actual fabric itself to make it warm. You can wear it underneath your wetsuit as extra warmth if you get particularly cold, or like I say, you can put it on over your costume in the winter months. Okay, so I'll just demonstrate that. It's meant to be a struggle to put on. This is how much of a struggle it's meant to be. The inside of it is sort of rubberized material, so it gets a little bit stuck and caught up. Okay, and there it's on. And so you're meant to be able to do this with it. It's not meant to be strangling you. You know, where your bra would be around your arms, or a little bit higher up than that. Okay, and so you could go in this, and also in your boots. Okay, the other thing that you may need as you get towards the really chilly winter months, or you may need it earlier if you get particularly affected by the cold, is a thermal cap. Okay. And you could wear your swim hat on top of that. So you could do 2 times a week with you rolling your wetsuit down and taking your wetsuit off, and then going back in for a short amount of time. And then after that, you could purchase a warmth vest and your boots, and you could probably go in October, November in that time and try and get used to it. Don't ever stay in longer than you're comfortable. You need to continually checking how you feel, how your extremities feel, how you feel mentally, you know. And then of course the winter months you could do your cap. Okay, and so you could swim like that throughout the winter months, and then as it becomes warmer in May, June, July, you could take these things off and you can try and go skins in those months. Okay, So that's just a little tip in terms of you trying to enjoy going cold water swimming, but also feeling comfortable. You know, sometimes when I first started to go in skins, I really, you know, I could do it, but was it enjoyable? And so this is a gradual way to be able to get used to that. Okay, I'm going to go in now and I'll see you in a bit.